Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp status sound problem. See this problem, fixed it. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. At first, click your phone settings. Now scroll down. Now click sound and vibration. Now click sound volume. Now click media. And click WhatsApp tab hold. Now scroll down. Now click storage. Now click clear cache. Go back and force tab. Okay, go back. Open your WhatsApp. Now see your story.
मैं फैला काजल बातों से करती घायल सांसों में उसका ही है ना।